Hello, Jenny. How are you?
Hey, it's going well. How about you?
I'm not doing so well. I have an interview tomorrow and I'm really scared.
Why are you scared? You're always so confident.
It's because I'm not good at speaking English. I think I'll mess up during the interview.
I see. Well, don't worry. I can help you with that.
Really? How will you help me?
First, try to speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush your words.
Okay, I'll try that. I'm really scared about grammar because I'm not good at it. Whenever I begin to speak, my focus is always attracted to any grammar mistakes I might make.
Ha! Did you learn grammar to speak your language?
I didn't receive formal training. Instead, I learned naturally from my parents and the environment.
Then why are you thinking so much about grammar when speaking English?
Since childhood, I learned that knowing grammar is important for speaking English well.
There is a common misconception that speaking English grammar is required. English is not a subject. This is a language we need to understand first. If you want to learn grammar, that's fine. Don't stop with just grammar. You also need to practice speaking English with someone.
I'm not sure where to find someone to practice with.
Well, you can always practice with me. I'm happy to help you improve your English speaking skills.
Really? That would be amazing. By the way, how did you learn fluent English?
To be honest, I never really focused on grammar that much. I just practiced speaking with anyone willing to listen.
But how did you know what to say? Didn't you need to know grammar rules?
Not really. You don't always need to know the grammar rules to speak English. You can learn by listening and repeating what you hear.
I see. But what about when you need to write in English? Don't you need to know grammar then?
Of course, writing is different. But for speaking, it's more important to focus on communication and getting your ideas across.
That makes a lot of sense. Thanks for the tip, Jenny.
No problem. Remember, the more you practice speaking, the better you'll get.
Hi, how are you doing?
I am doing great.
May I know your name?
Yes, I am Ronica.
Hi, Ronica, I am Adam.
Nice to meet you, Adam.
Are you from here?
No, I am from Brazil.
Well, why are you here then?
I am looking for a job here.
Oh, I see. What type of job you are looking for?
I am looking for digital marketing work.
Well, you are a digital marketer.
Yes, I am.
How long have you been working?
I have been working since 2020.
That's great. You have a good experience.
Yes, I have enough experience working as a digital marketer.
Where have you worked before?
I have worked for local companies in my country.
Nice. Then why did you leave your job?
I wanted to work with a big company.
Amazing. But why do you want to work with a big company?
Because I want to generate more knowledge and skills.
Well, you could do this in your country too.
I know, but I have a different plan as well.
Oh, I see. What type of plan may I know?
Sure, I want to create an agency here.
Wow, do you have a team member?
Yes, I have a team. They are in Brazil.
Then how will you work together?
They can work with me remotely.
Nice. Nowadays it's become so easy.
Yes, of course. We are fortunate people.
Sure, we are getting all kinds of devices.
Yeah, we can talk to any person around the world staying at your home.
Ha ha ha, yeah, sometimes I can't believe it.
This is all because of science.
Ha ha ha, yeah, sometimes I can't believe it.
This is all because of science.
I can't find my phone.
Did you check the bedroom?
Found it, under the pillow.
Thank God.
I've started jogging lately.
How's that going for you?
Pretty good, actually.
Keep it up.
I got us tickets for a concert.
Really? Who's performing?
It's your favorite band.
You are the best.
I watched a great documentary.
About what?
I'm so excited for the concert.
Who are you seeing?
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.